Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana insem TVGH so. Wofre me adwoa searching.
Honorable Kennedy Ohine Japan. NPP emebum. Say yenso ya fa ye ho adwen papa. Because ye hu say wafa ekwan bi so a pese umma ba umia a vision say obey Ghana mampeni no umpese sa ebebem. Ewi asenso ye say wa ma onyonko entwa nko a unso untwendu. Papa entre wi ase enye sa party at etitafo ape wasemo so many years because of how much you have invested in the NPP as a party and your love for the youth. Anytime you talk about job for the youth. And the youth of NPP will relate to you, Papa. You decide the way now, Papa. But you keep stabbing the party at the back. What's that for second now? The party, what is second a what party name? Wako tare Mahamani NDC. You name the entire war, yes, sir. Say be a chase who contract sika binti. Unim say wa make ka sansem na NDC for interest kanima. Papa, we don't know the entire your sudden and affiliation with the NDC. You dream why you wanted to become the leader of NPP. Yakoto aba. Abato no delegates decided at the abato at the leadership ashe baomiansa. Baomia abaw na se. The CBI twam yakoto aba obia timi kan ebo so asem wo didi nkrofo atem nkrofo nso didi obi atem it ends there. Unkwa na de bia papa obia ye obone unkwa na de bia obia didi atem ken wo de unya obi bone da. That Bia Ken is crying that somebody has hurt him. You have never hurt anybody. It is never true. And somehow kaya yete. The one kasa catch about me. Yes, ya so TB. About me. If I say no money anymore. He came to you. So let's work together and achieve our vision in 2028, Papa. Then nipa nye biem. Edien na nipa nye biem. She said, we support a war party is going down. If you don't know, I'm telling you, you can scan across the social media. Papa say, yam fa hu bi mo. Opa, leave the party. The party will survive without you. Nyame be yi obi ama ba omia. Say you say una sponsor party na oboa. There are people who are richer than you, but they don't come out and boast. Say they boast to no. My son quite the papa. Now riches near the no. We bush your phone out of show. What for Crawford Juma? You move on fire Juma. I dream bonny as you trim, sir. I dream bonny as you trim. If we are seeing 3 years in the sir. But me a brain was say. We say abroad yet we are now bongo for the if those individuals have hurt you. A party in I hurt you. Yeah, co-election. Uncrow can be. Baumian so crow for can be. Unkwa the own person obey sad and every wakuma. Unkwa own person obey sad. Me say NPP will come to power without your support. And the youth of the party say yes, you are fire waging. Bibi Alba can be ano. You hear response, I barber respond you. Papa, ya brew. Ya brew. Ya brew. Bibi Alba can be ano. Also July then you going to spill the beans near there. Yes, so your baby, your can be ano, your barber responded. Jaisa, now we are a penny bonnet. Honorable Ken. Oh, yeah, a penny bonnet. Yen Trivialities, yes, sir. If you want to become the president of Ghana, boa now me uncle. Now we are in the support amount. Uncle Yaunti, just a dead piano. What person into NPP form? Aden. Bonnie, I only say, your support to say, we a grassroots person. Aden. Huh? Yen Trivialities, yes, sir.
Useless government na buy a Ghana for won kwan ye wu moja nkwan ye suegu ye fengu so they shouldn't be escaping with just arrest. What is the next miracle then what on che na munni munyansa nti na mudi sa munti ha Dennis Miracle Abuaje is a Ghanaian politician who was previously appointed as a presidential staffer responsible for local government and decentralization with additional responsibility as the executive secretary for the interministerial coordinating and decentralization. Patromi bisasem. Se committee bi koye sika ho se bi sika semwa. Me pachewo. Eya na eye presidential staffer na ono na information oye liaison ema committee no any executive no me patro eya ono na ya omorane disbursement of sika efa no na we are critical thinking. We are not even going to go back far. Let me show you how dumb these NDC people pretend to be. Me say Dennis Miracle Abuaje ye ready say or your presidential staff are responsible for local government and decentralization. Ye say obey executive secretary, meaning presidential executive secretary. Edi Amaden interministerial coordinating committee. And me be say ni na say obi or your presidential staffer or your liaison say ye disperse ska me patron ono na ye discussion and sasa on fanko ye adwuma na. Somebody should help me. Erudite, is that how it works? Maybe I'm wrong. These people are evil. These NDC people, they are just evil. Papa. Maybe someone say we are critical. NDC for na mudi atem mo wa him nchoromre. E dey na mu ye. Muna mebe dante so muna mebe dina ha no CEO na dia na ye ready say no nye CEO or your presidential staffer responsible for there and the man executive then secretary. So a liaison between the committee and the executive. Pretty much that's what it says. And me bisa say and this is one way mo ya next time mo ba me page ni so amema ya block mo say mam me kasa me hu NDC ni bia amema o ma block because they am ye na enye mo be dina ha di matem. And I'm not be from any as I say, I am my Danny. I feel the man who said, the Yoko Trono, I am Cassia Samuel into ways where who do water. Internet, they be a more arrested, but more fan cocotte. Answer when you may go, I say. Now, some would debate your politics, Ghana, or you can't even move Jano. Answer what Freddy. Ujina see her, wait, be at them. Now, maybe I tell you how stupid this even charges are. Maybe I tell you the intia. Maybe say me didn't crack, no be at say clear. Say, and say government we find themselves in a tight corner. Government we finding a whole tight corner. Uncle arrested one popular NPP ni. Uncle arrested TikToker. Na yanko ken no asem. Na yenja umkrasi aban no umubuna. No. President now, or then the nine left Kambu right now, or Nanti Cheku no who the oil no. Ujina the president now. Me na me experience. Ba we me adi oye mate. Ba we me near yi. Me na me kuta experience. Eba no epo minim dware. Eba na eja minim fem. Bibia minim fem. John Mahama wase abetena kunya so. Ugu animu asese wo mpere. Sa ate chenkrofo. Osasu ni biase media na me na minim se sa president na efo sa. When your opportunity ebe di president bi. John Mahama. Ose ba omi anye experience ma entino we should and ye na ate ase ma because why you be pain. Afa brade awuye ni. On sam fere ose ma chill. Dum so is back ose ma chill. And then see beto he say be nsuo ni be yiri ma chill. Osofu obi say na masie nwan na masie mponko. Obi ko repeat ya ose ma chill. Na moto ni mu bu nkrasi amemwo ewo mani mu nana poku opoku a wo de emza wo de na ye enyo opoku papa ye de to me bisa am question say yes nana ya those who want to sanitize those who want to sanitize the union na me bisa mo say sister na me bisa mo say a presidential staffer who serves as the executive secretary.
Do baby wodri. Na be ondo defend this. When you are people defending this. Na mo so no so. Mo na mo pese MP benya to me. Munya maji sombe bo Dr. Alaji Mamu Baumia. Did mean the echo so na mine ke Japan ni na no. Me hu say Baumia agenda na mo say no. If you say Japan be kan sa se huni o kan faso bi ene sunsuo bi enyina mu. Yo be kan ya masomu ya fa na ko ha ya fa na sene ha ye we ni ade nyina no. Ekọ month. Sa month no mo yesa mo de ton Baumia nka Baumia din aduachi. Kan di aduachi. Ete make sure Dr. Alaji Mamu Baumia maka kan so wontie no. Sa running mate mo ni din de. No sha se nya adwuma. Dr. You are free Baumia body din de. No sha se nya adwuma. Tisa wan hwe untimi ni president. Wan hwe untimi ni president. Obi a woko campaign wan support o. And na waba wa no so no do. Na so de bra wo fa. Bo trinko. Ne mu nasam ne dwunu ho ba ko mienu miensa. Dwunu nasam ho ba ko mienu miensa. Timisramo the issue of Japan mo do dwene. Oni shi beka. Oni hu take asem bibiere no aka de Japan beka. The more ya no ya say and ye send people ko mo sem bi o ada ko e wate no beka na asem bi ani ho ade na wo so no nya odwuma na mo to ka Japan din tontwene wakasa no won fi de se mo ko na asem beto no ma mo so so ko heni pie ni nko fo agya no ho hia sire yanko no mo sire sa o ka ba kwa NPP de o kasa na nti amana he pompous o feel big cause wo kana usuro dia ani abi bobo ntire be beka bibi na dia wo ye no wo ja na direct your attention from purposeful activities no na for you are dealing with trivialities dia people mo hwe yi o sa kwa na monam so no na amwa party no winning power 2028 Baumia bo ayu afri ye din enne as running mate mo sha